Aspire at Waterstone offers resort-style amenities and affordable homeownership in the stunning Treasure Coast. At the heart of our community, a luxurious clubhouse features a sparkling pool. Lounge poolside and enjoy the Florida sunshine with family and friends, or grab a good book and relax in the shade underneath the covered terrace. You can also stay active at our state-of-the-art fitness center, located right in our clubhouse. And if you like working up a sweat outdoors, you'll love our brand new tennis, pickleball, and volleyball courts. Plus, if you have young children, they'll have plenty of space to play in our tot lot. Aspire Waterstone is conveniently close to local parks, wildlife attractions, and entertainment. You can easily enjoy Florida's beautiful beaches, expansive golf courses, and excellent dining and shopping. Homebuyers can choose from 4 elegant home designs with both single-story and 2-story plans. Each design ranges from 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3 baths, and includes up to 2,321 square feet of living space. Do you have a large family or a multi-generational household? Are you looking for more space to host friends and extended family? Aspire at Waterstone's Extra Suite Plus design features a personal suite with its own spacious bedroom, living area, full bath, closet, and personal outdoor entrance. Aspire at Waterstone offers amenities, local attractions, and home designs for everyone. Call us or visit our website today and start exploring our single-family homes from the low 200s.